I'm going to have a small session about how to generate your business ideas. Okay? So just be relaxed. Just observe what I'm doing, and then you can give your free view. So let's start with something very relevant to you. I will just ask the question. Tell me honestly, if you want to have a good partner, or let's say, as I can see, they are all the ladies, if you want to select a good husband, what do you do? Yes?
You dress smartly.
You dress smartly.
Yeah, to impress.
Impress. Okay. So, any other idea? How to select a good husband? Select. I'm talking about selecting.
It's not easy to just like when you see a guy, just to see that okay, he's the one. Maybe getting to know him, his personality, his anyway. Example me, if I choose someone, it will be someone who respects me, understand me, support me. So that will be my ideal husband.
Okay, so these are the characteristics you are looking for.
Yes.
Okay, then my question to the other people here. So what about when you are selecting, are you only looking for one person about the characteristics, or do you do a comparison? Okay, at the same time, there are two guys interested about you, 2 or 3, let's say. So what do you do then? You need to compare and choose the best one.
Yeah.
You agree?
Yes.
Sometimes you need to have a dinner or cup of tea to see, you experience, and then you do a background check.
Yes.
You formulate on a date
Yeah.
to see his.
Okay. So now I can see that. So every time when you take a decision, you need to see the options available. I think you agree with me.
Yes.
So it's the same for the business idea. Okay, so if you want to start a business, what do? You definitely need to think about how you are going to generate the idea, right? You cannot just think that, okay, I want to run a flower show. You cannot just think like that. No, it's like a lottery. You buy a lottery, you have only 2 options, either win or lose. So instead of doing that, what we can do, we can check for the several options. So my lesson objectives today is to explain why you need an idea list, and also to identify ways to create the ideas. Make bigger. Yes. So is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I think you are clear about the idea. So I'm going to give you a very small activity, again related, okay? So as you can see in this slide, there are a lot of faces, diamonds, squares. So I'm asking you to calculate this x. How do you think you can calculate this x, value of the x? Already value is given to you, but can anybody, or you can just think and tell me how did they calculate the value of the x? You can think about it, because you can see the values are given horizontally and vertically, and then you can see the place values are smaller. If you go along the line, end of the line, it's a bigger value. So you can think what ways you can do. Like for an example, the top row, if you look at it, you can see that 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 is 28. And then you can check for another row and think how did they do it, right? So how do you think you can calculate the value of x? Just tell me at least 2 ways you can calculate this x. Yes?
You get the totals of the 3,
You mean 130?
34, 36,
Yeah.
48, then you subtract from that.
Yes, that's one way. Any other way? So same way, I think you can think if you look at the first column, if you add 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 8 is 32. So now if it's just an example, so you can see that to find x also you can go for various options, no? Now the option I said, it's very simple, you just add. The lady said the answer, you add the 3 and subtract. So it's 2 steps approach. So in your life, when you are doing something also, either you can go in a simpler way or you can go bit complicated way. But then finally you can realize that there are ways you can do simpler than getting into more detail. Okay? So I am now going to my topic that I think everyone is agreeing with me. Any idea? If you have more ideas, more options, better the decision, greater the chances of success. Do you agree with me? Okay, I think even for exam, choosing a partner, doing a mathematics sum, anything. So now it's time to come to our topic. Okay, the topic is how to generate business ideas. So is there anybody from the ladies who are here running a small business? Or is there anybody thinking to run a business in future? It doesn't need to be a big one. It can be a small scale one. Yes, madam. What type of?
It's my dream to run a daycare center, not a daycare but a preschool. Yes, I said sometimes, maybe not when I retire, but maybe later in life, I want to have a preschool.
That's
yes.
your dream.
Yes.
Why do you have this dream? Is there any reason for this?
I
For
love
you to have it?
kids. I love kids, and I see it's a profitable business.
So it's your passion,
Yes,
and
yes.
then you can see that maybe the area you are living in not enough daycare centers.
Yes.
So maybe it's from your own experience, from the kids you have. Sometimes we cannot have, we really need a reliable center.
Yes.
Okay, so others, what are the other ways we can? Yes, madam.
I have a cleaning agency.
Hmm.
I haven't started yet. I'm waiting for the answer with the tender board. But you can be your own boss. Then you can know people better, because there are people I have worked at Takamaka. I went there, I asked them, do you want to work with me? I left them with, give me an answer. When I went back, they said, okay, I'm going to work with you, but you have still to wait. So I didn't have the urge every morning to run to come to work. You have to take your own time. Then you have to meet a lot of people, and it can be a good experience for you.
So what is the motive behind to start the cleaning agency?
Because I wanted to do something better.
Better.
Yes.
And then do you have any experience?
But that's really the way I'm doing here. I have experience.
Nice. So you can see from this example, one is selling, there is a urge, so it means there is a gap in the market. Another person is selling, she already has the experience, so it's best to start the business where she is coming from. So because she knows what is happening. Any other? Before I show you something, that there are several other ways you can generate business ideas. Okay, so I can show you something. See, these are the ways. Draw from experience. She has already given an example. Okay, and then I think for the previously the madam said that she wanted to start. So she is scanning the environment and see or survey the local area where you live, how many daycare centers are available. So these are the ways you can generate your business ideas. So let's go to the first one. Learn from businessmen. So what do you mean by learn from local businessmen? So sometimes when you look your local area, for an example, if you want to start a daycare center, you can go and talk to the already people who are in the daycare centers regarding this, what kind of idea did this business start with? Okay, where did you get the ideas from? And then how did they translate this idea to a successful business? And then how does the business fit into and the benefit of the local environment? You can ask questions. And then not only one person, you can go to several daycare centers in the local area. another area daycare center and see why people travel long to go to that daycare center instead of going to the local area. So what do? You gather the information, compare, and then you can select. Yes, so you can go and ask. I think most of the time local businessmen you are already familiar with, no? What you can do if they are busy, you call them, put an appointment, go and visit them, check their, observe how they are doing it, okay? And then the next one, draw from experience. I think we all have different kinds of experience. As the madam explained, she is already in the cleaning business, so she want to have her own business. So what about you? Sometimes maybe if you know how to cook great food, you don't need to start with a bigger business. You start with your peers. You bring and sell. See whether how it goes. Is there a demand for that? Because if you are like, for an example, here it is a school, academy. There are a lot of kids buying snacks from outside. Why not 2 or 3 people gather around and see? We bring something, we sell local. And then how it goes? 1 week. You don't need to spend a lot of money. Use something you have already. It's from your experience. Sometimes people prefer to drink local drinks these days. Okay? So that's another way. So next way is survey the local area. How can you survey your local area? How? Okay, let's not think about only the Anshraya. If you are living in the town, how could you know what are the businesses they are running? How to generate a business idea? By going surveying the local area. You can go to Victoria town and then maybe, okay, let's say you are going to the market. It's a business area. So how can you generate some ideas? By talking is one. Yes. What else you can do? Observe. And then you can check whether there are some items I wanted to buy, but it's not there. Okay, there are sometimes it's happening. You desperately wanted to buy that, but it's not there. But people wanted to buy. So there you have business idea. That's how you create your business idea. Observe, listen, talk. Okay. So apart from that, you can also have this method, scan the environment. Thinking about what you have, natural resources, if there are any skillful people, you can go to a trade fair and look for it, and then you can do a brainstorming. It's a technical word, but brainstorming means you just sit with the people, you take one idea and build the ideas upon that. So what you can do at the end, you can generate all your ideas into a list. Idea 1, idea 2, idea 3, like that, and then you select. Okay? So I think you have got the brief idea about how to generate your business idea. So any questions?
It was clear enough. It was very clear.
Any questions? Anything you want to know? So if you really want to know about some things further, how to go and talk to a businessman, there are forms you can use, business analysis forms. I could help you with brainstorming, how to go about it. So if you think of starting your own business, the starting point is generating your business idea. So be open-minded. When you walk today, when you go home, think about things you can do. I think most of the people would like to work alone, be your own boss. So I think there are a lot of opportunities available. So it's only the way you look at it and how you take it. Okay? So thank you for listening to me. We'll hope to see you again in future.
Thank you.